I own a 2006 Cub Cadet GT2542, model number 14A-2D2G710, garden tractor with a 42 inches mower deck. The mower deck part hash is ### with a mounting plate assembly, part number 603018B. The mower deck has rusted out. The tractor unit is nearly perfect. I have been looking for a replacement deck. I have been told that some MTD mower decks will fit the Cub Cadet GT2542. Yet no dealer, Cub Cadet or MTD, has told me the MTD decks that will cross-reference as replacement for the 42 inches Cub Cadet deck. I would take a 42 inches, 44 inches, 46 inches, 48 inches, 50 inches or 54 inches mower deck as a replacement. The Cub Cadet dealers did tell me that the mounting plate assembly could be used on various mower decks, but again no answer as to which ones it will fit. Can you tell me the MTD part numbers of the mower decks that will substitute for the Cub Cadet mower deck or variations thereof? Thank you.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. http://www.ebay.com/item/cubcadet42 2000 series mower deck shell 6030409A60309B9030409D/281958605451 #item 41A60A28BMM88X1M up 505K5 Ni 6TPA. Why not go back with the same deck shell? See link above.
MTD decks are cheaper and apparently are better metal. I have a 2000 MTD lawn tractor with 46 inches deck that has been stored side by side inside with the Cub Cadet, and its mower deck is still strong without any major rust.
MTD makes the Cub Cadet.
I know. But apparently they went with a lighter gauge of steel on the deck for the GT2542 in year 2006.
From what I see, all the newer MTDs and the Cub Cadets have thin decks. They are trying to save every penny they can but using less metal and cheap parts.
Okay, Curtis. I'll drop the issue and pursue another route to find the info I seek. You have answered a lot of questions for me earlier. So I will say thank you and good night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.